Welcome to Kanien'keha lesson 22. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at E and EN stem possessive pronouns and how to incorporate them with nouns. So for the purpose of this lesson today, we're going to be using two nouns. An EN stem noun, which is ahnida, which means moon or month, and a E stem noun, which is awairdi. So awairdi is actually the only E stem noun in the Kanien'keha dialect. And if you look at it, it doesn't actually start with the E because it already has an AW prefix on it. And as for EN stems, there's a small handful of them. Usually they start with A, but sometimes they'll start with gon, like gonye, or O, or AW, like Ionkwateweienhstonhatie. So firstly, we're going to be looking at the singular possessive pronouns. So AKW is the possessive pronoun for mine. So my heart, Iakwahwatsiratatie, your heart, Zerdi, his heart, Rawairdi, her heart, Iakwahwatsiratatie, its heart, Awairdi. Secondly, we're going to be looking at the dual possessive pronouns. So doesn't matter if it's mine and yours or mine and someone's, our heart is ungenerdi. Yours too's is heart, zenerdi. There, as in two males or a male and a female, raunerdi. And then those two girls or those two neutral would be aunerdi. And then finally, looking at the plural possessive pronouns, our heart would be ungwerdi, your guys' heart, zewerdi, them, those males, raunerdi, those females, aunerdi. And now we're going to be looking at Ostend nouns. So we have ahnida, which means moon or month. And we're going to be looking at first the singular possessive pronouns. So you're going to be using the same pronouns as E stem. So my month or my moon is Iakwahwatsiratatie. Your month or moon, Zahnida. His moon or month, Iakwahwatsiratatie. Hers, Iakwahwatsiratatie. And its Iakwahwatsiratatie. Now the duals, the dualic pronouns. So ours or ours, doesn't matter. Ungenahnida, yours two's. Zenahnida, there's two males or a girl and a guy. Raunahnida, and there's two females or neutral. Aunahnida. And then finally the plurals. So our moon or month, Ungwahnida. Your moons or your guys' moon or month, Zewahnida, or theirs, the males, Raunahnida, and them female or neutral, Aunahnida. Within this lesson, we use some of the resources from Kanien'keha and for that we would like to thank them and acknowledge them.